What's up guys, Will H, and today we're going to be taking a look at some screen protectors I picked up from my Apple iPad Air M2 13-inch. So a couple of videos ago I was undecisive on about whether I wanted to keep this 13-inch or trade it in for the 11-inch. Finally made the decision to go ahead and keep the 13-inch because I love the real estate of the display there. I like the big screen. So got accessories coming in. This is one of the first ones. My screen protectors. I got these from Amazon. They're about 15, 16 bucks. These are the tempered glass ESR screen protectors. You get 2 of them in the pack. It's going to have precise alignment, bubble-free application. And there's a picture of it right there. Then on the back, this is the device that they use to, it's kind of like a guide to put the screen protector on. So let's go ahead and get into the box. Check this out. Get my unboxing knife here. Cut the tape. Well, I cut the box, so I want to cut the tape. All right, so let's go ahead. There we are. And see what's included in here. So I got cases coming and other things for the device. So if you want to check those out, hit that notification and subscribe button and be ready. So here's the packaging. It has ESR on it, and inside of the packaging you're going to get the scan to watch a quick setup video, and then it gives you some written instructions as well right here. Guys, see both sides. It's a long brochure there, so I think I'm going to just take my chance and try to figure it out on my own. So here is the 2 screen protectors. This is how they come in, just like this. You get 2 of them. You get 2 of the cleaning kits right here. And then let's see what else we got here. So this is the tray that you're going to set it in. This is just filler information, filler stuff there. So you're going to put your iPad. It tells you what a camera needs to be right there. So we're going to drop the iPad in here. I'm going to turn it off first. Turn the iPad off. I'm going to drop it right in right there. And then I'm going to clean this first. There it is. Make sure you got it in there flat. Let's look at what's in the cleaning kit. So in the cleaning kit, you're going to get a microfiber cleaning cloth. Right here. There it is, microfiber. You're also going to get some dust stickers right here. Once dust sticker, and you get a wet wipe. So let's go ahead and get this wiped down and cleaned up, and then we will put the screen protector on. Let's go ahead. I kind of pre-cleaned it already, but we'll go ahead and clean it again. You want to make sure you get all the fingerprints off. We'll just go side to side like this. Get all the fingerprints, and then you want to get the dust off. So this is a nice little kit here, the way they design this. For big screens, it's harder to, clean them. So, to put a screen protector on them. So this was a good idea right here to make something like this. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my dust sticker, get the dust off, make sure there's no dust, got it good and cleaned up. Just hit every screen you can, because I don't think anyone's house is completely dust free, but well, I can speak for mine. I know my house is kind of an older house, so not one of the new ones where it's sealed up very good. So gonna put that over there, and then we're gonna take our screen protector, and this is number 1. You're gonna have to peel that off. but drop this in place like this. And I haven't read the instructions, but it looks pretty simple. So gonna go ahead and get this number 1 sticker off. Just like that. And then you just simply lay it over. And then just like that. And it should start to adhere, and I do see it bonding itself to the display there, if you guys see it there. So there it is. Look like some bubbles in there, but quite sure they'll go away. There it is. So now just gonna pull this off just like that and get rid of the bubbles. So let me get something to get rid of the bubbles. Look like they're just going away just like this. Just wiping them off. Just like that, and they are going away, guys. Very easy to apply this screen protector. I'm gonna get the bubbles out and then we'll come back and look at it. All right, guys, so I pushed all the bubbles out. Very easy. No bubbles, no dust, anything like that. Came out perfect. It comes with the application tray, comes with 2 screen protectors, your cleaning kit, everything that you need. Let's go ahead and power the iPad back up and check it, make sure that it's going to work. So it's going to take a few seconds to boot up here, but we're going to check it out. But very easy. You almost don't even need to read the instructions, which I didn't, but I do encourage you to always read the instructions. Let me get into my iPad. And here it is. So as you guys see, I have no issues with this screen protector. It's working as smooth, and it just feels like the original glass on here. So let's open up YouTube. And as you guys see, no issues with strolling. So do recommend this one. This is the ESR tempered glass screen protector for your iPad Air M2 13-inch. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.